welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is Kavita and this is my very first video on my channel. So if I tell you, I just wanted to create my channel since very long, but I did not, you can say, because of my low confidence. So I did not have the courage, to upload videos and content on my channel. It is not like that I'm a shy person or very introvert person. I am an extrovert with some people, but I am introvert for other people. I don't know the category, which category person I am, but so I was very shy to come in front of the camera and shoot the video. Even there is no one in my room right now, and I'm still feeling so much underconfident and shy right now. But yeah, if you want to pursue something, you have to leave everything behind. So after thinking tons of time, here I am today, and actually today is my day off from my office. Basically, I thought I should shoot a video. Here I am thinking. So I have given you the short introduction from my end. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So basically the video is regarding for my first video, and the second thing, I have ordered something from Shein. So basically I did not shop anything before from Shein. So yeah, recently I bought something like 2-3 tops from Shein. So that was my first purchase from the Shein. I thought that why don't I show you all also. If you guys like that, you can ask for the link in the comment section. I will share the link with you all. So basically I bought the top under 1,000 only. So yeah, without wasting any time, I'll just show you the tops. So जो पहला top है, which is this one, and this is how it looks. Hope it is with. सबसे best चीज़ इसकी ये है कि ये इसका जो fabric है ना, it is so good. According to Summers, it is the best. और if I talk about color, is so soothing. White and lavender color से इस पे कुछ flowers बने हुए हैं. And the fit is also so cute. It is kinda Korean vibe also. And इसके front में जो है कि पूरा एकदम stitch नहीं है. यहाँ पे दो you have to tie a bow here. Because ये दो ऐसे slings हैं यहाँ पे which you need to tie, and you have to wear something like in it so that visible ना रहे front का area. So आर्ट से ये काफ़ी ऐसे floral सा vibe दे रहा है. The sleeves are so unique. ये पहले ऐसे चला करते थे, but now again it is so in trend. If you are going to Goa, any beachy place, you can go for it. Is 10 on 10. And I have purchased in size medium. You guys, is according to yourself. So yeah, it is the best, I can say. You can go for it, for sure. And the second one is a shirt. This is how it is, a full length shirt. इसका जो fabric है वो कुछ crush type में है. This is how it is, and it is a fitted shirt. ये कोई ऐसे loose वगैरह ऐसा कोई shirt नहीं है. This is a full fitted shirt and full length shirt. The very good thing is, the good part which I like the most, the sleeves, because these sleeves are so in trend nowadays. And yeah, the color, if I talk about color, it is going in a pink, something like that. Or maybe purple. I don't know the particular shade of this. It is so good. I have purchased it in a large size. Okay, but the large size also fitted me so good. बाकी आप अपने हिसाब से देख लेना जैसे आपको ठीक लगे, जो भी आपके लिए साइज परफेक्ट हो. Yeah, so good. Sleeves are so good. Fabric is so good. Color is good. It is 10 on 10. You guys can purchase it without thinking. So yeah. And now the last one, last but not the least, this one. And this one is the most favorite of mine. It is full of Korean vibe. Again, the sleeves are so good. I like the sleeves, the print. इसमें बहुत cute से bow बने हुए हैं, ठीक है. And grey से lining है. इसका जो main shade है which is in a white color. And इस पे जो वर्क है वो ग्रे से है. जो भी बो बनी हुई है या लाइनिंग से जो भी है वो सारा ग्रे से वर्क है. एंड ये बहुत ही क्यूट वाइब दे रहा है. ऑल्सो द कलर इज सो गुड, एंड The fabric is so lightweighted. It is full of, you know, summer vibe. You know, it has long sleeves, which is so in trend nowadays. It is so cute. It is 10 on 10. And इसके front में कुछ ऐसे lining से, you know, इन्होंने design भी दिया हुआ है. So this one is my most favorite. You guys can go for it. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And कुछ भी, you know, if you felt कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया या कुछ ऐसा, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you like any of the top, you can ask for the link in the comment section. I'll share it with you all. So yeah, bye bye, take care. मिलते हैं next video में.